There we go. Pretty decent. There it is. We got a trout. We got him. Man, he is fighting great. I know it has been about 2 months since my last video. Holy smokes, man, a lot has happened. I've been busting my ass at work. I had COVID, which took me out for about 3 weeks. And I also went through the process of getting myself my motorcycle license. And I also bought myself a motorcycle. So, a lot has been going on, a lot distracting me from my YouTube channel. But just because I haven't posted a video in so long does not mean I have not been out fishing. Oh, we got a trout. It's decent too. Decent on the small fly rod. Well, we made it happen. We can land him. That is indeed a rainbow trout on the 1st of July. There's a whole lot in this hole. Probably catch some more. Slowly guide him towards us. No net, as usual. Man, he's fighting good. Yeah, he's pretty decent. There he is. It's a pretty hot day. I'm not going to keep him out too long. Just long enough to get him unhooked. There he is. July 1st. Potentially promising spot. There we go. Fish on. And it's a trout. On the hand-side San Juan. What do we got here? Is it brown or a rainbow? Ooh, it's a brown. Nice. Figured there would be a brown up in the current. Dumb rainbows are probably sitting in the slack frying some of these hotter days we've had. Man, I haven't been out fishing in about 2 weeks. It's good to be back. There it is. Nice brown trout on the San Juan. He's out of here. Oh, and we got him. That's a trout. First fish of the day. It is July 5th. Haven't posted a video quite some time. There you go. Scrappy little leftover rainbow in July. Day after the 4th. See you, homie.